I got fittings and stuff for that, but like I said, this stuff is in the odd spots already, so ain't no point in bringing the tool out. Just use the ratchet and get the job done. I'm not tightening both sides down at the same time. Going a little bit tight, so I'm finna tighten this back one down. I'm trying to keep a good angle. That's good. Got this the final on this one. That's good. Now I can put this back on there. Now I didn't take the whatever you call the sensor that's on this bracket. I didn't take that down. There wasn't no need, it wasn't in the way. Don't know what I'm doing. I'm screwing the HDR tube back down. Let me see if I can get a better angle. I just put the HDR tube back on there. I forgot which way to turn it. And this is the bracket I'm talking about with the DPFE something sensor on it. I just moved that to the side. One more, it should be good. Not like to use a hammer. I should use a hammer. Make sure it's tight. And on this corner, we'll grab a hammer. Or a bar. I think it's tight. Ain't never had no real problem out of it. But I'm gonna go to the get a hammer just for the extra, what you call it? Just for the extra snug fit. Cause I want it to be good now. We ain't got to, but I want to, so I did.